Three income skills you already have AI can't replace. Are you scared your paycheck could vanish overnight, whether from layoffs, AI automation, or a fragile gig economy, and you'll be left wondering how to survive? Because let's be real, AI can write poems, but it still can't cook your grandma's cornbread recipe. I'm Roy Primm, your niche profit strategist. I help laid off and job worrying professionals turn their existing skills into a reliable niche income at zero cost. This video is based on Niche Creation Mastery, my unique three-book series on Amazon.com that goes beyond find a niche and shows you how to create and improve profitable niche products and services without spending a dime. Right now, millions are realizing their jobs aren't as secure as they thought. The fastest way to protect yourself is to monetize the skills you already have. Skills AI can't replace. Which situation hits you hardest right now? A. Recently laid off. B. Worried your job could disappear. Or C. Freelancing, but your income feels unstable. Type A, B, or C in the comments. And if you type D, you're probably watching this at work, hoping your boss doesn't walk by. Here's three AI proof income skills you already have and how to monetize them. Skill number one, your personal history. Your years of real world human experience AI doesn't have. In today's marketplace, human experience is a valuable commodity most people overlook. Repurpose yours by taking one skill from your old job and reframing it as a solution for a specific audience. This turns what you already know into a paycheck replacing offer. Skill number two, human empathy. Feeling client pain points AI can't detect or personalize. Use problem first positioning. Sell customized solutions. Identify one frustration your audience faces and package your skill as the fix, adding the personal touch that makes you AI proof. Skill number three, adaptability. Pivoting on real feedback AI can't intuitively handle. Take action, then improve as you go. Don't wait months to start. First, ask potential clients about their problems and refine ways to solve them as you go. Here's an example. Take my client Lisa, a laid off HR manager. She converted her interviewing skills into an in home niche service helping job seekers craft winning resumes and prep for interviews. Within weeks, she replaced half her paycheck. Or Jamal, a gig worker driving rideshare. He used his local knowledge to create a micro niche tour guide service for visitors, turning unstable gig income into a steady side hustle. His new back end offer is with local businesses who he advertises to his tour customers for a small fee. Proof that sometimes your plan B beats your old plan A. Here's a simple AI prompt you can copy and paste in your favorite AI tool to get you started. List 10 micro niches where I can use my existing skills in name your skill, focused on name your ideal audience to solve their number one frustration around name key problem with offers I can test in name your time frame. After you run this prompt, drop your favorite idea in the comments so we can refine it together. If this video sparked any ideas or questions, drop them in the comments and let's brainstorm more niche profit ideas together. Also, hit like and subscribe and share this with family or friends who could use it so this platform's algorithm can help grow our community of laid-off professionals, career pivoters, and niche creators. And keep sending you the latest niche profit strategy videos on autopilot each week.